The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference Party of Phuloni constituency held a massive protest rally to express their strong opposition against the sub-clause 2.3 of the peace accord. Here is a report. The protest rally commenced at Thogbam Rongpi village and was concluded at the Habe Crow village, and more than 200 people took part in the torch rally on Monday evening. The regional party in their steer described that Sub-clause 2.3 completely undermined the sixth schedule and therefore is meaningless and unacceptable to the people of the hill districts. While speaking to local media, Phuloni APHLC President Thoniram Timong stated that the torch rally was held to express their strong opposition against the specific content of the recently signed peace accord, which was signed between the 6 underground groups and the government of India.
Long live! Long down! APHLC long live! Long live! Clause 2.3 down! Down! Break long the tea! No autonomous state! Rack at the song pang tang nang ma! Rack at the song pang tang nang ma! Rack at the song pang tang nang ma! Rebel unity long live! Six to the long live! Unity long live! No separate electoral!
The Phuloni APHLC president further stated that Sub-clause 2.3 would completely destroy the constitutional protection granted to the tribals by the constitution, and therefore it must be immediately scrapped without any further delay. He also informed that their party would be forced to take up stronger movement if the demands of their party and the people of the hill districts are not fulfilled.
MOS along banke hala point 2.3 hala bangso close banke ladake kechok che thaglor athe people se kechok che make ilitum 6 dola constitution labangso 6 dola constitution along le kosonji open for all seat cap ke dokoklo hala bangso alam the bensi pini en bensi nilitum labangso we kimi labangso Phuloni constituency bensi tame ilitum ning pung chepaklang lo lapen sarkar lapen labangso karbiang long tim karbiang long phanta isi kecuning ri bangkala hanlo lapen la so song to manda isi kecuning ri bangkala hanlo nang litum labangso seat open for all seat ke babangke nang litum prap jin pe labangso central gobolong hala bangso MOS salam don along bangke labangso seat ke bamake chuthai nang po chuthai the pulodangte ni tum bangke la so kachi song bangke ington telo
ke chok che ke thek dam long bang ke ilitum madu da chini je ilitum karbiang long ke la ke ST area ke angton along le philang pir phe ka do be an yom niti ben ching lok si ilitum farman inglong so tum farman tai de kupi bosi 10 for all pider lo lada ini oi meme la so joini si piniar ni la sonda me chi songnang ko lada angku kisung the pigi piniar ni ilitum sungse sita pena dik ilituma so asu atuma adin si sungji laki pura clearly nili chada la so joini si chisong nang ko.
Dear Drongo Espress report from Phuloni, Karbi Anglong Live.